Whimsical versus Notion. Which productivity tool wins? Choosing the right productivity tool can transform how you organize your work without wasting time. Whimsical offers visual collaboration, while Notion focuses on all-in-one workspace flexibility. Whimsical and Notion both enhance productivity, but serve different purposes. Whimsical is built around visual thinking with diagrams and flowcharts, while Notion provides a robust, customizable workspace combining notes, databases, and project management. Whimsical is a visual collaboration tool designed to simplify brainstorming and planning. It works by allowing users to create flowcharts, wireframes, mind maps, and sticky notes all in one intuitive interface. The drag and drop functionality encourages quick idea organization and team collaboration in real time. Its strengths lie in visual clarity and ease of use, making complex workflows easier to understand at a glance. However, Whimsical's focus on visuals means it lacks advanced text editing or database features, limiting its capacity as a standalone productivity hub. It's ideal for teams or individuals who prioritize visual planning and need to map ideas quickly, without the overhead of managing extensive documents or databases. For those who think in diagrams and prefer a straightforward, creative workspace, Whimsical is a powerful choice. Notion is a versatile productivity platform that combines notes, tasks, databases, and wikis into a single customizable workspace. It works by letting users build pages with a modular block system, enabling everything from simple note-taking to complex project tracking. Notion's strengths include its flexibility, extensive templates, and ability to integrate various work styles into one environment. Users can create relational databases, embed media, and collaborate with teams seamlessly. However, this flexibility comes with a learning curve, and some users may find the interface overwhelming initially. Notion is best suited for users who want an all-in-one tool to manage documents, projects, and knowledge bases in one place. It appeals to those who value customization and need a scalable solution that grows with their workflow. Comparing Whimsical and Notion highlights their different strengths. Whimsical excels in visual brainstorming and quick idea mapping, perfect for creative teams needing to visualize processes or wireframes. Notion, on the other hand, is a comprehensive workspace that supports detailed documentation, project management, and database creation. If your work requires visually organizing concepts with minimal setup, Whimsical offers a streamlined experience. But if you need to manage complex information, track projects, and collaborate on documents, Notion provides deeper functionality. The trade-off is between simplicity and visual focus versus flexibility and feature richness. Teams focused on design and ideation may prefer Whimsical, while those seeking an all-in-one productivity hub will find Notion more suitable. Choose Whimsical if your priority is visual collaboration and fast, intuitive brainstorming without the complexity of managing extensive documents or data. Opt for Notion if you want a powerful, customizable workspace to handle notes, projects, and databases all in one place. Its versatility makes it ideal for individuals and teams who need an all-encompassing productivity solution that adapts to varied workflows.